Do you believe that painting your nails is more than just beauty? It's therapy. I know I do. Hi, I'm Megan. Welcome to SecretDevilYT's Nail Obsession. I'm a maker and a nail enthusiast, and I'm here to help you find the joy in every brush stroke and maybe make a few friends along the way. Whether you're looking for nail swatching, product testing, reviews of the latest indie collections, or beginner-friendly tutorials that actually explain the how and why, we cover it all here, including what to do if you make a mistake. I upload every Saturday, do at least one live stream every weekend, and sometimes a bonus video during the week. So, click the subscribe button, grab your nail polish, and let's paint together. And who knows, you might just meet your next bestie here.